morning students. Today we will discuss about dual nature of radiation and matter. First of all, we will discuss about free electrons in metals. In metals, the electrons in the outermost shells of the atoms are loosely bound. They are quite free to move easily within the metal surface, but can't leave the metal surface. Such loosely bound electrons are called free electrons. Work function: the minimum amount of energy required by an electron to just escape from the metal surface is called work function of the metal. The free electrons, however, remain confined to the conductor or metal but can't leave its surface at ordinary temperature and under moderate electric fields. The moment an electron comes out of a metal surface, the metal surface acquires positive charge and pull it back. It means there is a potential barrier or restraining forces at the metal surface, which has to be overcome by the electron to just escape from the metal surface. So certain minimum amount of energy has to be supplied to the electron, which is termed as work function of the metal. Work function of a metal depends upon temperature of the metal, the nature of the metal, and the impurities present in the metal surface. Work function is measured in electron volt. So 1 electron volt is the kinetic energy gained by an electron when it is accelerated through a potential of 1 volt. And the value of 1 electron volt is 1.602 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. Work function for platinum is highest, that is 5.65 electron volt, and for cesium it is lowest and value is 2.14 electron volt. Next topic is electron emission. What is electron emission? The phenomena of emission of electrons from a metal surface is called electron emission. The required energy for the electron emission from the metal surface can be supplied to the free electrons by one of the following physical processes. First one is thermonic emission. It is a phenomena of emission of electrons from the metal surface when heated suitably. The emitted electrons are called thermal electrons or thermions. Second is photoelectric emission. Electric emission. It is a phenomena of emission of electrons from the metal surface when radiation of suitable frequency fall on it. The emitted electrons are called photoelectrons. Third is field emission or cold cathode emission. It is a phenomena of emission of electrons from the surface of a metal under the application of strong electric fields. When a very strong electric field approximate 10 raised to power 3 to 10 raised to power 8 volt per meter is applied to the metal, it emits electrons. Last is secondary emission. It is the phenomena of emission of electron from the surface of metal in large number when fast moving electrons called primary electrons strike the metal surface. We will discuss in detail about the photoelectric effect. Now, what is photoelectric effect? It is a phenomena of emission of electrons from the surface of the metals when radiation of suitable frequency fall on them. Number of scientists gave their opinion or observation regarding photoelectric effect. First observation is given by Hertz. The phenomena of photoelectric emission was discovered by Hertz in 1887 when he was working with his electromagnetic wave experiment. Hertz observed that high voltage sparks, also called electric current, across the detector loop were enhanced when the emitter plate was illuminated by UV light from the arc lamp. From his experiment, he concluded that the suitable radiation fall on a metal surface. Some electrons near the surface absorb enough energy from the incident radiations. Due to it, they are able to overcome the attraction of the positive ions, which are also called kernels, in the material of the surface and escape to the surrounding space, and creates the electromagnetic waves by means of spark discharge.